Maybe you guys can help me out figuring something out. Why is it that these Jordan 1 lows, sick Jordan 1 lows, and very dope, are still sitting around? I'm scratching my head and I don't get it. Great story, great colorway, great price, of course. So let's get it. Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? Thank you very much for joining in and tuning in once again. I'm your host Devagaro, and today we're going to have a very interesting and unique review. As we always do here, we have a lot of fun. But before, remember to subscribe right here, leave a like if you found this content of use, of value, and hit that notification bell to get those latest reviews from Devagaro. And also, I would be really interested in hearing out what you guys have to say. So also don't forget to leave a comment in the section down below. All right, with all of that out of the way, let's get ahead and jump into the review of the Jordan 1 lows in the neutral gray colorway. So as you can see, we have a black and red standard box, although it's more reminiscent of the Jordan 1 highs for all of us usually. And as you can see, let's take off the lid and we have the quality assurance sticker right there. Let's place that to the side. Then we have some standard paper, and here we go. Here we have the sneaker. It's extremely nice. It's all white. We have a skinnier swoosh than what we had in 2015 drop, and it's also this time around it's covered in suede material, not standard leather, so that's pretty cool. And the midsole is all white, not sail. Now flipping over the sneaker, the outsole is your standard Nike Jordan 1 outsole with Nike branding in the middle, and then towards the ball of the foot we have that circular traction pattern. Pretty nice so far. So I really like it. I dig it. And also, guys, the other thing is that this leather is extremely buttery, very soft to the touch. I'm still flabbergasted and amazed how this sneaker is sitting, really. So anyways, but again, I think that that's a huge opportunity for all of you guys, and if you struck out on sneakers. And moving our way up towards the lacing system, we have laces in white. Let me pull out the other sneaker really quickly over here. So as we can see over here, we have the other sneaker. We have white laces. We have a nylon tongue with Nike Air branding in the tag in gray. Now this tongue is a lot shorter than the standard Jordan 1 low silhouette that we've had for the last 10 to 15 years or so, or even more. So that's a little bit that, in my view, it's a lot cooler because it's not like sticking out. That's really, really cool. Also, we have white insole with Nike Air branding in gray. Super cool, super dope. A second set of laces, which is in gray, and the gray is slightly different, or it's darker than the swoosh and the back heel. Then we have the Air Jordan Wings logo, which is debossed in your heel. So super, super cool. It's a great shoe. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. Great opportunity for the fall, and needless to say, awesome choice for summer. I think that this shoe, with time, the more you wear it, the cooler it's gonna look, the doper it's gonna look. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is a super cool shoe. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think about them? Is this something you want to go for? Is this something that you're looking to score on, or is it going to be a pass? Okay, so now I have a little bit of a surprise for you guys, and let me start off by just comparing it with the sneaker that just recently dropped as well. And this is the 1985 High OG neutral gray Jordan 1. And this one is not the same cut, as you guys can see. Mostly this is the type of material is very different. You have a thicker leather on the highs, and the lows are definitely a lot more, buttery. So that's one of the things. So the other thing is that they are not as comfortable from what I hear. I haven't tried them out, haven't done a review for you guys, that's coming. But anyways, just wanted to show you guys, a little bit of a side by side, as you can see, because this is the big brother, this is the little brother. All right, so there you go. So now that I put those away, I would like to show you guys another pair of sneakers that was super popular. It was a little bit less sought after than its big brother, the High, but I gotta show them to you and just compare it with the neutral grays just very briefly. All right, bang. You weren't expecting these, right? So here we go, the Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows, and I got these for retail, believe it or not, on the sneakers app, believe it or not. And I'll be very honest, I wasn't really interested. I wasn't really looking for them, but I was literally just jumping onto the whole Jordan bandwagon at that point in time, back in 2019. And I had gotten the highs, so I was just like, okay, let's just give it a go, and I hit. So there you go. You can see pretty much how they look side by side. Let me just show you the rear side as well with that silhouette. So these are pretty similar, and even the Jordan 1 Travis Scott's come in that original 80s feel and look. All right, so there you go. Now let's move on to another pair. Bang, the Eric Coston Nike SB UNC Jordan 1 lows. Beautiful, has that $24.99 Eric Coston when he was a kid. The shoes that his mom didn't purchase. Here you go. They make a little reference to it under the tongue. So there you go. Beautiful shoe, quality, top notch. So it's pretty nice. Let's move on. Let's keep going. Bang. Here is the next Jordan 1 original 80s drop. I think it dropped it back in 2019. I didn't get it at the time at retail, but something super weird happened was that a few months after, maybe like 6 months after, I went into sneakers, and you know how there you have that section where it shows shoes that are in stock. Believe it or not, these guys were just sitting there. These were just sitting there. I couldn't believe my eyes. And it's one of those that you just peel away this upper material in brown, and it has the leather underneath has a different tone, different colors, so pretty cool. And the other cool thing is that the Wings logo of Jordan is here underneath, but you can't see it with this outer material, so pretty cool. Also SBs, and these are the Or, I think, something like that, like Jordan 1 Or, something like that. And one more. Lovely shoe. And these are, in my view, extremely similar to the Dior ones. I know some of you guys won't agree. That's fine. Hey, you guys are entitled to your opinion. But I gotta say that the Berlin Jordan 1 lows are extremely nice. The quality is super duper. You have the embossed Wings logo in the back, and this is what I was talking about, that this is a different silhouette of the Jordan 1s, and the one that you guys see on your left hand side has a lot of differences with the original 80s. So you have the longer tongue, it's well padded. This one's a skinnier tongue and it's not as long, as you guys can see right there. Very different and beautiful shoe. Also all of these other Jordan 1 lows and the neutral gray highs, all those are coming. All those reviews are coming, so just hang in there, guys. It's just that so much stuff going on, but I'll get to it. And remember, here we're going at our own pace, and we're just enjoying the sneakers. It's not about putting out the video first or whatever. Hey, we're just here to enjoy this form of art. And now's the time for an up close on feet. Let's get it. Good, now let's discuss the drop date. Very important. Neutral gray Jordan 1 lows OG dropped on the 24th of June of this year, 2021. And it's also very important to let you know that they dropped in all three different sizings: grade school, women's, and men's. Okay, now you might be wondering, what was the price point? Price point for the neutral grays was at retail $130 for all of my friends back home in the US, or 130 euros here in Europe. Now, the next question might be, all right, and are we going to be paying these crazy resale prices that we've experienced in the last few years for this sneaker? That's the good news. No, we're not, at least for the foreseeable future, all right? So on the aftermarket, you can snatch a pair on my size, which is 13, for around 145 euros plus fees and shipping. So that's not bad at all, guys. That's a huge deal. If you're serious about this one, I really suggest you should be looking around. Now, let's talk about the sizing or the fit. As all Jordan 1 highs or lows, and in general with Nike sneakers, I gotta say true to size will fit fine. And these are slightly different than the highs, the Jordan 1 highs that released earlier in this year, the OG 85s. These are not 85 OGs like that original cut, the silhouette cut from the original 1985 silhouette. It's not, it just shares the colorway, not the silhouette. So I just want to be very clear on that. Those are not as comfortable from what I hear, because I haven't tried them out. I have them over here. There we go, guys. All right, so now everyone has been duly briefed, and we can officially declassify the Jordan 1 lows in the neutral gray colorway. And super important, please remember to leave a like, leave a comment. Super interested to hear where you guys are watching and tuning in from. Also, hit that notification bell and please subscribe. It just helps us reach a lot of newer viewers and share our content. So that would be really cool if you guys can do that for us. And thank you so much. Your support is highly appreciated. And remember, always fresh, never stress. Until next time.